Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create smooth skin retouch in Photoshop. This tutorial is a beginner friendly tutorial. Open portrait photo in Photoshop, duplicate the image layer, go to the filter and blur and also select surface blur. Increase radius slowly. Adjust threshold until skin smooths. Press OK. Also add layer mask. Select brush tool with black color. Remove blur from eyes, lips and hairs. Keep blur only on skin. Reduce brush opacity for realism. Zoom in and refine carefully. Toggle layer visibility to compare. Skin looks natural. Retouch complete. Thanks for watching.